Hello students, topic tense is in continuation, and under this present perfect continuous, the last part of present tense is going to be finished with this topic. Present perfect continuous पूर्ण वर्तमान काल परफेक्ट एंड कंटिन्यूअस, कल भी मैंने बताया था, ए कम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू डिफरेंट कंट्राडिक्टरी वर्ड्स परफेक्ट एंड कंटिन्यूअस इज गिवन हियर, एंड फॉर दैट two different helping verbs are also given to show perfection and continuation of the sentence. Has and have for the perfection of the verb, and been helping verb, be for helping verb, it is called. Previously I have already told you about the be form helping verb in verb chapter. Now has have shows the completion of the work, and been shows the continuation of the work. It is a matter to understand how the combination of two different helping verbs combine each other forms a form of sentence that is called present perfect continuous tense. Affirmative sentence has already been taught by myself, and now negative sentence is in continuation. नकारात्मक वाक्य in all parts of tense, 4 parts will be documented: affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. And previously I have told you that only the form of verb and change of helping verb indicates the differences of tense. प्रत्येक भाग में सामान्य रूप से ये सब चीज़ें पाई जाएंगी, परिवर्तन सिर्फ सहायक क्रियाओं में और मुख्य क्रिया के रूप में होता है. पहले मैंने एक थ्योरम दिया था, any kind of sentence can be translated in English by one theory: subject, helping verb that are needed, main verb that are needed plus object. On this theory, whole of the sentences can be balanced simultaneously to translate Hindi sentence into English sentence. Now, negative sentence means the sentence in which negative word not is given is called negative sentence. जिसमें हिंदी वाक्य में नहीं शब्द का प्रयोग हो उसे हम नेगेटिव वाक्य, नकारात्मक वाक्य कहते हैं. बट फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस, one peculiar thing is given here, that is called prediction of time. It has already been taught. What is prediction of time? समय सीमा का निर्धारण. And for this, since and for two prepositions are used to show the timing system of the sentence. How it is continued and going towards the completion is to be seen by this system. Now, at the time of teaching, it is the duty of a teacher to teach by that system which is labeled and understandable for the students, and whole of the things will be clarified by the teacher. Now, in this process, for the construction of this type of sentence, not is given after has or have helping verb and before been helping verb. ये जब भी हम सेंटेंस को निगेटिव या इंट्रोगेटिव में प्रवेश करते हैं तो दोनों सहायक क्रियाओं को दो भाग में बांट देते हैं। हैज हैव एक तरफ कर देते हैं, बिन को एक तरफ कर देते हैं, बीच में नॉट डाल देते हैं, कंस्ट्रक्शन सेंटेंस का पूरा हो जाता है। एंड ऑल द पार्ट्स लाइक अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस एंड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सेंटेंस is just like affirmative. No change is given here. Change is only that has or have and been bifurcated by grammatical system and not is used in between both the helping verbs. Now rule given subject plus helping verb has, have plus not plus helping verb been MV4 object PT बटा since for plus time. It indicates the continuation of the work going towards the perfection. कार्य चलते रहता है, पूर्णता की तरफ आगे बढ़ता है। इसको हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस कहते हैं। No objectionable part or thing is given in this system. Now example is exempted here. बच्चे सुबह से नहीं दौड़ते रहे हैं। The children have not been running since morning. Prediction of time here सुबह early in the morning is fixed. So since is used and वह 4 घंटे से बात नहीं करता रहा है। He has not been talking for 4 hours. अनफिक्स पॉइंट प्रोडिक्शन ऑफ टाइम में इसलिए इसमें फॉर का प्रयोग किया गया है। नाउ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक इज कंप्लीटेड टुडे। नेगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड ऑल थिंग्स आर क्लियरफाइड बाय मी। If anything or any complaint is out of your understanding point, please comment and write it at the time of subscribing this channel, and I shall try my best to make it reform and correct it again. So please subscribe and like this channel. Thank you very much.